now we will discuss about the binary conversion and with the decimal point into decimal number. Okay, so now our question have two parts. This is the first part and this is the second part. So now we apply previous method on this part, and for this part we use a different method. Okay, so now let us post this part only and write it here. This one fetch and write it here, then this 0 and this one, this 0 write it here, and this one write it here. So now this is a binary number and the base is 2. So now we multiply the each digit by 2, okay, like this, and insert plus symbol between each number, and now insert the power and start from 0. So now 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So now solve it like this. From this we contain 1, and when we multiply any digit by 0, that is 0, and this is means 4, and this means 0, and this means 16. So now the we add these numbers and it become 21. Okay, so now decimal insert here. Here is decimal. Okay, so now follow the another method for this part. So now fetch this one and write it here, fetch this one and write it here, fetch this 0 and write it here. So now this is a binary number and the base is 2. So now we multiply each digit by 2. Okay, so now insert plus. So now the difference is here. What is the difference? We insert the all the powers positive, but in this part we insert the powers in negative form and starting from 1. So now minus 1, minus 2 and minus 3. Okay, so now solve it. It means 1 by 2, it means 1 by 4, and it means 0 into 1 by 8. So it is 0, so we want not suppose it not contain it. Okay, so now we LCM of these two are 4, 2 plus 1. So now this means 3 by 4 and it is around 0.7. Okay, so now this is 0.7. Now decimal is here, we write it here, and after decimal 7 we write it here, and before decimal is 0 and write it here. Okay, so now add this 7, 1 and 2. So now this is a number that is a decimal number. Okay, so now this is the proper and easy method to convert a binary number into a decimal number, even if a binary number into a decimal form also. Okay, so now we check the range of this number. All the digits that contains this number in between 0 to 9, 2, 1 and 7. So now 21.7 is a decimal number, and write the base. Okay, this is the most important thing. Okay, so now this is the method, and next we move towards to hexadecimal conversion, binary to hexadecimal conversion. Okay, so let's suppose this is a binary number and we want to convert into a hexadecimal number also. Okay, so now fetch this number and write it here. This one 1 0 1 1 1 1 0 1 1 1. Okay, so this is okay. So now for hexadecimal number we use 4-bit code. 4-bit code is 8421. Okay, so now 8421 is insert in this number from its right side. So 8421 and 8421 and 21, and now we complete this group by inserting 2 zeros from its left side. Okay, and write it 8 4. So now learn about the on bits. On bits at the position of 1, at the position of 4 and at the position of 8 for this group. This is our first group, okay, this is second group, and this is our third group. So now the meaning of this group is 13, not 13, okay, because this is a hexadecimal number. So now it means 13, not 13. So this for this group it contains 8, 2 or 1. Okay, so this means 11, not double 1. So now in this group, check the on bits at the position of 2 and at the position of 1. So this means 3. So now it becomes 3, 11, 13. But in hexadecimal number, if the number is greater than 9, we don't use alphabet. We don't use a numerical form. So now for this and this we use alphabetical form. So now A means 10, B means 11, C means 12, D means 13, and E means 14, and F means 15. So now replace 13 with the D, okay, and replace 11 with the B or a 3 as it is. So now this is a hexadecimal number. So this is the best method to convert a binary number into a hexadecimal number also. Okay, so now we will learn about a binary number in decimal form containing decimal. It means pointing value, and we convert that number into a hexadecimal. So let's suppose here is a decimal, here is a point. So now how we can convert a binary number into hexadecimal number? It has two parts. This is the first part and this is the second part. So now we solve the first part. Okay, first part is this. So now 1 0 1 1 1, and we apply the 8421 from its right side. Okay, so now 8421, and complete this group by inserting 3 zeros from the left side. So now it becomes 8421. So now check the on bits. On bits are at the position of 1, 4 and 8. So now it becomes 13, and in this group, this is the second group, and in this group where is the on bit? On bit is at the position of 1. So now it means 1. So now we replace this 13. Okay, this 13 is replaced with the D or 1. So now pointing value is here. So now insert point here and here also. Okay, so now fetch this part. Fetch this part only. Okay, and write it here. 1 1 1 0 1. For this part we apply the 8421 code from left side. So now 8421, and complete this group by inserting 3 zeros from right side, 0 0 or 0, and apply 8421.